Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
Stop!
Who are you?
I am the master of rock,
But I have a paper.
and I have a sword.
But there's no sword in rock, paper, and scissors.
And that is where you are mistaken. I am here to tell you the story of rock, sword, firecrackers.
I thought it was rock, scissors, paper.
You are wrong. The ancient games has been dishonored by scissors and papers. It is a mockery of the true art of the challenge. Can I tell you the story?
Sure.
If you want to hear the story, you must say, "Yes, master."
Yes, master.
Say, "Ready, please."
Pretty please.
Ready, please. With a cherry blossom on top.
Oh, come on.
Fine. I will tell you the story. It all began with the rock.
You mean like the wrestler?
No! The rock was a big, fat, lazy slab.
But he was unmovable. He was a champion sumo wrestler because no one could move him. He won every match. And then he sent a challenge out to all warriors that no one could defeat him. So samurai and ninja from all over Asia came to fight him. But even a sword could not pierce his rock-like skin. But then a magician from a distant land came with a mighty weapon, a firecracker. No one had seen such a huge firecracker before. The magician faced off against the rock. He lit the fuse and placed it at the rock's feet. The rock did not care. He did not think anything could defeat him. Suddenly, there was a huge explosion. There were screams and cries of pain, and when the smoke cleared, the rock had fallen. Everyone stood quietly and couldn't believe their eyes. A few began to cry. The magician's laugh broke the silence, and he pulled another, even bigger firecracker from his robes. The magician yelled, "I shall rid this land of the rock forever." He placed the firecracker next to the rock and lit it. But then, a young one, who was a big fan and collected all the rock, sprang into action. He snatched up a sword and swish, cut the fuse, saving the rock from destruction.
Amazing.
Great story.
So I ask that you no longer dishonor the game with scissors and paper.
Yes, master.
We will, master. Gonna go.
Rock, sorry, Nickname namin, Blue. Ay, tama.
This is that ice cold Michelle fight for that white gold. This one for them hood girls, them good girls, straight masterpieces. Styling, wildin', living it up in the city. Got Chuck's on with Saint Laurent. Gotta kiss myself, I'm so pretty. I'm too hot. Call the police and the fireman. I'm too hot. Make a dragon wanna retire, man. I'm too hot. Say my name, you
It
know
is a
who I
true
am. I'm too hot.
art alone. True Ay, tinanong ako ano yun.
Makiri yun.
Makiri, day.
And go.
If you wish.
What a wish.
Miss?
Tarong nga na speech kay Brinar ba mo base di Ma'am.
Go.
If you wish. Ano yung wish na ako eh? Ano yung wish na ako eh? Wish. If you wish. Ano wish? Wish. If you wish to hear the story, you must say, yes, master.
Yes,
And go.
If you wish to... If you wish to hear the story, you must say, yes, master. You must... If you... If you wish to...
Yeah, you know.
Ah.
Hello, yung timan in a lifetime, naging mo wish, right? If you wish to... Wish to...
Ay, lang, record lang sa yung wish.
Wish.
Oh, yeah, ikaw pa na lang.
Kabunggay na sa siya na.
Yung madaoy. If you wish to hear the story.
Ay, ako lang istorya niya. Pag man wish, ikaw rin sumpay. Ano, yun na.
Magdabing.
So, sumpay lang ka.
Ay, babe, kaya rin na. Okay, 3, 2... Sige.
Ah. 1, 2, 3, go.
If you wish to hear the story.
Ay, pagkatama. Nagdinan na.
Kalawi, kaya na. Kung ano yun. Kapin daw ka lang.